Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, have become powerful tools across many industries, from photography and construction to logistics and inspection. Drones technology continues to shape our modern world. However, when drones are misused, they can pose serious risks to public safety, privacy, and social trust. Drone misuse refers to operating drones in ways that violate laws, aviation regulations, or ethical standards. This includes flying near airports or restricted zones, invading personal privacy, spreading misinformation, or ignoring safety guidelines such as altitude and visibility limits. In real incidents, drone misuse has already caused serious dangers. In this case, a drone was seen flying dangerously close to a commercial aircraft during landing. Such actions threaten passenger safety and can disrupt national air traffic system. Drone misuse can also lead to physical injuries. In this incident, a drone lost control and crashed into a crowded public area, injuring a civilian. This highlights the risk caused by untrained operators and irresponsible flying. Beyond physical harm, drones can seriously violate personal privacy. In this case, a drone was reported hovering near a private bedroom window, raising concerns about surveillance and data misuse. Such actions damage public trust and create fear within communities. Drone operations are governed by aviation laws, data protection regulations, and ethical responsibilities. Operators must respect restricted airspace, protect personal data, and ensure public safety. Ethical drones use means balancing technological innovation with respect for human rights and social responsibility. To prevent drone misuse, stronger public education, operator training, and awareness campaigns are essential. Clear regulations, certification systems, and responsible enforcement can help ensure drones are used ethically and safely within Industry 4.0. Drone technology should serve society, not endanger it. Through responsible operation, ethical awareness, and shared accountability, we can ensure drones remain a force for progress, safety, and sustainable development.